How's it going? Today we'll be going over how to build a Counter-Strike 2 PC for under $300. Let's get her done. Alright, so we won't actually be building the PC today. That will be in part 2. Today we'll be going over what is actually going to be going into this Counter-Strike 2 PC. All these parts were from eBay and Facebook Marketplace, and the prices are according. Alrighty, first off, we'll start off with the motherboard and CPU combo that I got off eBay. So as you can see here, it's a pretty basic motherboard. What's underneath that cooler is just an i5 2400. This motherboard CPU combo that I got was $30. Next here we got the GPU. The GPU I also got off of eBay. I got it for $130. What is it? It's an EVGA hybrid. It's a GTX 1070. This will provide at least 60 frames per second in CSGO, no problem, provided the i5 2400 can do its job. Next off we have the power supply. The power supply of choice on this one is a Corsair. It is a Corsair CX650M. It is a smaller type of power supply. It is semi-modular, but that don't matter. What is great about this power supply is that it's only $40 if you can find it. I'm not sure if they still make this power supply. I'm pretty sure it was just recently discontinued, but it was a very, very cheap and reasonable power supply that you could buy. If you're looking for any other kind of power supplies, if you just type in eBay and look for an EVGA or Corsair power supply of 650 at least, gold rated of course, that'll do the job, and it should be about $30 to $40 on eBay, or look in your local Facebook Marketplace. Next off here we have the RAM. So this is just DDR3 1333 megatransfers per second, and this is very cheap RAM that you can pick up for about $6 per stick, and this is KVR 1333 D3N9-4G. Each of these sticks are 4 gigs and a total of 8 gigabytes, which is the game basic requirements, and should be plenty enough to run this game, to be honest. And just like Linus, drop them as soon as you get them. More drops, more frames. Next off we have the SSD RAM. It's just a 240 gig Crucial. It is a preferred, just like Kingston. They just last a long time, and you can pick these up for about $30. If you go on eBay, you can probably find them even cheaper than $30. $30 brand new, right to my door. So what do we got right now? We got $30 for the motherboard. We spent $40 on the power supply, so there's $70. The GPU was $130, which is a GTX 1070, so there's $200. Oh yeah, the RAM. We spent $12 on the RAM. That's a lot on the RAM. The Crucial SSD was what was it? $30. What was that? $242. So we are at a total of $242. So with all those combined, we are at $242. Next, we need to put it into something. So again, either eBay or look on your favorite marketplace and look for PC case. What I got was a cheap PC case that was probably honestly $20 to $30 back in the day. So paying only $15 for it wasn't half bad. And here we have it, the PC case. So with a staggering $252 Canadian, will this PC be able to play Counter-Strike 2 at least 60 frames per second? I don't know, we'll find out in the next one. Till then, get her done.